because we were very exciting buying the computer, and we're taking pictures. We did the receipt and everything, but we forgot to pay for it, and none of us realized. Both of us, we didn't realize, right, Bert?
Yeah.
And none of them did either. So inside of the store to take the final picture before we left, and we just left with the computer, everything. We were good to go. The taxi driver took us, and we were about like what, halfway through, and then we just realized we didn't give them the money. So we went all the way back. What about the girl, Love?
So when we talked to the girl, she was really crying because in the receipt, wala pong phone number of the store, and they, didn't ask us our phone number. She went outside to pray. Hopefully that us will come back to, pay. And yeah, I really felt to do what is right. We came back, and the good thing also about it is that aside from paying them the price, they gave us a discount earlier for 500, and then when we came back to pay the laptop, they gave us another discount. And think about it, how much would be, how much would be deducted to their salary.
Yes, because they wouldn't be able to retrieve any information. They didn't have a phone number, address, anything. So yeah, it's a big deal. Funny thing though.
Ayan guys, so this is all about Josa Bodega sa mga bagsak presyong mga gadgets, and this is a Antipolo branch, and kasi meron po silang Taytay Rizal branch as well, and this is located Antipolo Town Center, and sa harap lang po siya ng Super Metro. Ayan po, ito po yung mga different types of laptops. Meron po silang Lenovo, meron po silang Acer, meron din po silang Dell. So, makikita din po ninyo yung mga presyo po nila sa market at saka yung presyo po nila sa bodega. As well as, meron din po silang cellphone, hindi ko lang po napakita. Ayan guys, as you can see, nag-process na po ng receipt si ate, at dahil wala pa po kaming tulog dyan, galing po kasi kami nagtrabaho, so nalimutan po talaga namin magbayad, nagpa-picture pa po kami, at saka nag-ask po kami ng someone na mag-video din po sa amin. Ayan po, at this time, hindi pa po namin naisip at na-comprehend na hindi pa po namin naibigay yung bayad for the laptop. But after that, when we comprehend na hindi pa po namin nabayaran, mabilis po kaming bumalik po doon at hindi na po namin na i-video ang mga pangyayari po. Ayan guys, the most important thing in this experience is that we pay the laptop at na tulungan po namin si ate na hindi po siya malungkot, and nakauwi po kami ng safe dito po sa aming tahanan. Please don't forget to subscribe channel, like, and share the video.